Acetoo. Acetoo. Was that thunder? A magical explosion? Or was it your nose doing gymnastics? That's right. Sneezes are like little fireworks your body sets off to defend itself. But, defending itself against what? Imagine you're walking through an enchanted forest. Suddenly, a naughty speck of dust enters your nose without permission. Your nose tells your brain, which is like a conductor. And then, everything goes into action. Muscles tense. Chest inflates like a giant balloon. And suddenly, boom! A sneeze so powerful it could push up a cloud shoots out. Did you know that sneezes can come out at over 150 kilometers per hour? Like a racing car.